Nissan Sunny tayo ngayong araw. Yeah, punta tayo Dubai.
Mga talaga mga idol. At dito na nga po nagsimula ang aming road trip ng aking Mommy Loves Nika na napakaganda. Tignan nyo naman, talagang pinapakita niya kanyang pagkaganda. O, tignan nyo ito guys, gaano kadelikado mag-drive dito sa UAE. Tignan nyo naman yan, halos magsalpukan na yung Nissan Patrol na yan. At ayan, hindi ko alam anong kotse. Talagang grabe. At ako'y napareact talaga yung nasabi ko. Pagka nagkatamaan yan, magkakabalentongan sila, di ba? Kaya ingat lang po tayo dito sa UAE sa pagdadrive at laging seatbelt on lang po tayo palagi. Ayan, selfie na naman po ang Nika Baby My Loves. Ayan o, tignan nyo no. Pax, cash, cash, cash. Sakit sa mata ng stash. Stash, stash, stash. Pax! Ganda talaga ng ating beautiful Mommy Loves. So, ito na po ang napakagandang highway road ng Al Ain to Dubai. At bumabaybay po kami sa saktong speed lang. Ayan, tingin sa side mirror. Pax! Biglang mabilisan na dila-dila. Alalalala. Para siyempre, pampadagdag lang yon ng kasiyahan. Oh, tandaan nyo po, pag magdadrive po kayo dito sa Al Ain Dubai Road, kahit 120 lang po tayo lagi para hindi po tayo makakuha ng ticket na overspeeding kasi po ang maximum nila is 140 po. Ayan, selfie na naman si Beautiful. Yes!
Gagawin ko ba rin ang gagawin? Ngayon saan namin ako na ito dadalhin? Oh, subok na yung lagi yung sinusubok nun. Alalusok, nalulusok, lang yung utumbong. Na yung mga sinabihan yung bongbong. Stuktok na kami tumutungtong. Hindi matutunton. Ang sarili dinadaya.
Ganda no, Mami? Ito gwapo to, ha? Ganda, oh.
At lagi niyong tatandaan mga tol, kapag nakita nyo na ang mga napakaliwanag na building na yan na para ka nasa Makati BGC ay nasa Dubai ka na. At makikita nyo sa gawing harapan natin ang Museum of the Future. Hindi ko alam ba't nila tinawag na Museum of the Future yan.
Ang taas naman ng ayos na, 7,400 ay 7,545. Halimaw sumuntok dyan ako, malakas ako sumuntok pare ha. Number
52. Tapos na?
Tapos na.
Okay na yun.
Wala tayong nakuha, wala tayong Pepsi, scam.
Walang tawag na.
You know what it is? Dropping na ngayon, syempre. Thank you so much sa inyo sa ating movie, sa ating DJ's good. DJ, please play the music, life is good. Mag-shoutout ma G-Rider, El Sistemador. Shoutout to you. Shoutout din po sa grupo natin sa table na to. At syempre, hope you guys are having a good time of your lives. You know? Enjoy lang po. Just happy lives, everyone. Shout out everyone. Invite po kayo ng mga friends ninyo, like families, relatives who want to go party right here in Restaurant. You must invite them, you know, like it's a pretty good vibe right here. I'm gonna tell you, a good ambience. If you want to and have fun. Just what is the right things for you. DJ, give me the song, please.
Everybody chilling, waiting for the fun. Cruising up the streets and looking for a spot. My hopes are big and wants to visit fun. My sexy ladies showing up the fun. People on the streets say that ass like a freeze. They don't know I'm really good at these. Slicing up the ball, you got music on the list. Chicks on the streets when they leave it in the bricks. I don't give a fuck on other people's lives. I just really care how to spread my good vibe. I don't waste the time, it's so fucking nice. I try to be so nice instead of you wasting time. People try to ask how my life goes fast. Learning new lessons from a fucking dark past. I never get distracted when my woman's fast. Stay stuck, ass, go burn into a nash. People try to match, but I get a good stash. Stacks up cash, and I'm really out of cash. I'm just chilling with the people on the rocks. Rolling up a joint and sucking up my cash. Focus on the prize, if you really want to rise. Work your shit and do your sacrifice. Life is shitty, but you gotta work it nice. Just stay cool, the people are surprised. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Life is good in the hood, yeah. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Life is good in the hood, yeah. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Life is good in the hood, yeah. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Yo, let's do one. Yeah, only the good don't like looking good. Not a big deal, you're part of this group. You got our own style and really nice groups. If you can't dance, stay out of her group. Chicks in the place, yeah, you really gotta mix. Me and my homies got a bunch of blicks. Chicks in the place are ready for the taste. Let me get that cool shit, have a pretty face. Chicks in the graveyard now getting tripped. Losing out control, asking me for a strip. That's alright, everybody's on the hit. I'm a pussy table, let me eat that meat. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Life is good in the hood, yeah. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Life is good in the hood, yeah. Riding on the genie, like a Lamborghini. On the solo vaccine, with the cheap side. Swimming on the bills, looking for a party. Chicks in the city, go crazy with the city. Clubs in the city, I'm a real VIP. Partying on the my G and roll. People in the club asking me for the freebies. Pushing for the pins like I'm a real G. I'm a Santa Claus who lives in the city. Welcome to the parties, people really like me. I got a good talent or do you feel like me? Let's get high, make your life no smoky. Life is good, the hood, the hood. Life is good, the hood, oh yeah. Life is good, the hood, the hood. Life is good, the hood, yeah. Life is good, the hood, the hood. Life is good, the hood, yeah. Life is good in the hood, in the hood. Life is good in the hood, yeah. Oh, I remember life is good. Happy life, everyone. Cause life is still good. Billy Jackson, thanks so much, everyone.
Ipakita natin to ang mga nero.
Kaya mag-ingat lang para di tayo mabara. Tuloy-tuloy lang at marami mang reserva. Huwag kang maging buraw at matuto kang pumasa. Bilutin mo maayos kaysa kayo ng mga tropa. Kaya kami ay makikila sa simularan mamaya. Mga tropa-tropa sulitin natin araw lang at tayo masaya. Wala nang matubiling, buminangin masagana. Sa aming influensya anin natin susumama. At kami makakakanan ng ganja hindi droga. Isipan negatibo amin natong masaya. Sana makisama, huwag na mamulot na lang. Kapag tingin sa aking ganja ay magiging anesthesia.
nyo lahat. Estuhan! Thanks so much everyone. Don't forget again to invite everyone that you know. Birthday scholars to have fun here in West Kuala. Siyempre, the cheapest price that you can have for enjoyment, bro. You know, it's better to try this very safe and sound. You're preserving split stylish one on one with my
Estuhan! Paalam tayo! Kay Boss Abdul, Al-Mamshi.
Okay, maraming salamat. Yun. Solid.
Pauwi na tayo. What time is it? Pakita mo, 4:15 AM ayun, no? 4:15 AM.
4:16.
4:16 na. So, we're going to Alin. Uwi na kami. Salamat. Estuhan, mami. Okay ka lang ba?
Yeah.
Talaga, sorry ha. Pag na-board ka. Sensya ka na.
Okay lang.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
I love you. Bawi
Love you
ako.
too.
Mami love, sumaga na ako. Max, pakita mo ito na tayo. Ay, gano'n mo. Parang mukhain pain. Kapax, umaga na. Inumaga na. Hanggang may mapala. May pasok pa ang aking beautiful na asawa. Sorry, mami love. Tulog tayo. Atin kita, mami. 6:24, alain na ulit. Yeah. Alhamdulillah, man. I hope wala tayong fine mamaya. Susoli ko itong kotse, sana walang fine, bro. So, gising lang natin. Susoli na natin yung sasakyan, mga tol. It was a hell of a night. Salamat sa pwestuhan. Salamat kay El Sistemador. Salamat kay Abdul Al-Mamshi. Salamat din doon kay Makabeli kahit wala siya doon sa pwestuhan. Anyway, sana wala tayong fine. So yun mga tol, nandito tayo. Mr. Arif, for you. What's your name of your shop, brother?
Highway Rent-A-Car.
Highway Rent-A-Car. And I will be including your number here, okay? And your rate is up to you. Once may kabayan come here in your store, welcome them, okay?
Inshallah.
Okay. So I don't have fine, ha?
No, don't have.
I don't have fine. Masalam, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Yun mga tol, wala tayong fine. Kita nyo naman. Napakalupit ko talaga magmaneho, pare. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, men. Like, common sense lang ang pagdadrive sa akin. Di ba? Yung dami daw dito. Pag basta mabiyahe sila Dubai, may one fine na sila, 2 fines. Come on, man. Ang driving is a common sense. Kung wala kang common sense, talagang bagansya ka. Yun lang. Don't spread love and educate and let love seize the day.